This is Jordan. We're in the mall, and we just walked through Forever 21 like
6 times.
Yeah, like 100 times in a row. It was great. We're going to Coach because we're going to look at a purse. Look at this guy. Hi. It's like 6:30 on Saturday, and I'm driving to Marshall's house, and then we're gonna go to Teresa's because she has to like film something for her school or something, and she wants Marshall and I to be in it. So it'll be pretty dope. Sorry. We're gonna be in a movie.
All 3 of us together. Oh,
The sun looks really pretty.
you're welcome.
The bugs suck.
You're already getting eaten?
Ah! Yeah.
Oh my god, Inception!
Whoa, the lens cap was on.
Oh, okay.
Okay, stop. Here comes the shoe.
Oh, God, I hit myself. We're out filming for Teresa's little film thing. But there's so many bugs out there, so I said, I am not going to be out there anymore. I'm coming in the car. So now I'm sitting in the car. All by myself, but I think they're done now. Hey, Marshall.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
We're filming a movie.
Cool.
I don't know what to do.
Okay, I love you.
Let's go. I love you too.
Oh hi, I'm Noel White.
Yeah, you're gonna die.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh. I'm starting a vlog now. Hi guys. You're holding it in portrait. I'm learning.
I'm in school right now because this is where we do church. We have to go up like a really scary elevator and then go to this like creepy closet. Hey, look at this girl. What else? Here's the closet. Want to see it? It's really dark. Sorry. It's so loud. So I don't go back there because that's. Oh, that really scared me. Like what? Fun times in the closet, you know? Hello! We're at the zoo right now. You're too tall. It's like cutting my, I can only see my face. We're at the Houston Zoo and we're looking at some animals and that's it. So, goodbye.
Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
Nice.
Hello, little bird.
Big bird.
Hello. What are you?
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea?
Yeah.
Hey, diarrhea. Okay. Good talking to you.
Make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
So I'm about to leave for work, but I am doing summer classes, so I like just got my books in the mail. There's like sun behind me. And I just got one of them, and look how freaking big it is. Like, look at it compared to my face. It's huge. Hello. Hi. Hey. Oh, you're next. Hey. We're at church right now, doing sign-in stuff. Yeah. Cool.
Making a video short.
Oh.
Fun, how much fun we're having right now. Honestly.
We're having so much fun.
I didn't even...
Oh! Hello! Cool. Great. That's Emma Grace. Hi. Okay. Anyways, we're at Bahama Bucks right now. We don't have any of our drinks with us though because we ate them like an hour ago. So, sorry. But, you know, we're with
the music?
I don't know.
Where's all the music?
That's the question. Where's all the music? Marshall's over right now and he's cooking dinner. And then we are going to see the Beach Boys movie, Love and Mercy. All about Brian Wilson and the Beach Boys, and I'm super excited about it because the Beach Boys are my favorite band of all time. If you don't know that, now you know. And so we're gonna see that, and it's gonna be great. And then I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna go to bed. And that's about it. So, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you watch next week's video, I'm gonna be at Beach Week all week, which we're gonna be in Destin, Florida with like almost 300 high school students, and it's gonna be awesome. So there's gonna be a bunch of footage from there that I'll put on the video, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. So that's it. Okay, bye.